Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Tuan Muhammad Syahmi bin Tuan SAHA'ARIF. Okay, today I will present my internship training at B Brown Medical Industry at Penang. Okay, chapter 1. Okay, introduction to industrial training. Industrial training or internship is a study program that is relevant to professional development period to graduation. This program enables students to experience a real working environment while gaining more knowledge and skill required as a preparation before entering into a particular career field. Through this study program, students also will be able to develop their skill and applies their knowledge that they gain in university. Okay, our objective is to apply the skill that have gained throughout academic years to enhance knowledge and abilities at the company involved, to share a social obligation for both university and practical company involved, to develop skills in the application of theory to practical work situation, to provide students with exposure in a real industrial environment. Okay, our company location is located at Bayan Lepas Free Industrial Park, Penang. Okay, the training position um, was under medical plant operation assembly industrial engineering OAI in project management section, which the role specified under capacity expansion, new product operational integration, and general object. Okay, I'm Tuan Muhammad Syahmi as a trainee at project management. Ismail Yazmin as my manager at medical project management, and the last one is Rosianti Ramli as an engineer, also as my supervisor at project management section. Okay. Our project management section job scope is manage all aspect of engineering project from start to finish. Okay, design, communicate, and implement an operational plan for completing the project, monitor progress and performance against the project plan, take action to solve operational problem and minimize delay. Estimate the cost, resources, and time required to complete an engineering project and monitor activities, conduct project meeting, and prepare regular reports to communicate the status of the project within uh, and beyond the project teams. Okay, for the chapter 2 is about history of B. Brown in 1839. Julius William Brown acquired the Rosen Pharmacy in Michigan. Okay, today, uh, 182 years later, B. Brown is a worldwide leading healthcare company with a sale of 7.426 billion euros. 1.285 billion euros are contributed by our entities in Asia Pacific. KB Brown have 64,000 employees worldwide. Okay, B Brown have competence in 16 therapeutic area, which is abdominal surgery, cardiothoracic surgery, continence care and urology, diabetes care, infection prevention, infusion therapy, sterile good management, pain therapy, ostomy care, orthopedic surgery, nutrition therapy, neurosurgery. Okay, okay. For product at by B Brown in Penang, which is for medical device, pharma, and surgical instrument. Okay, in medical device, we have Wasafit Safety, Panadol, Introcan Safety, Elastomer Mary pump, Venofic. Okay, for the pharma, EcoFlat Plus, Mini Plasco, and HD Concentrate for surgical instrument, surgical and microblade, uh, Car Carbile, needle holder, and SUSI. Okay, for the for chapter 3, job scope and task. Okay, at B Brown I involve three main project, which is machine relocation from brown to brown line. Introcan Safety Line 5 is an assembly line machine which consists of Introcan Cannula Assembly Machine, CAM, Introcan Catheter Assembly Line, CAL, and Introcan and Control Machine, ECM. Due to change in facility for the line machine from brown 2 to brown 9, process validation need to be repeat in order to have a high degree of reassurance and objective evidence that the system is capable in producing high quality product. Each of the vision system is inspected by using measurement system analysis to identify the overall process variability. Okay, uh, sample that collected by me are then produced once all the machine are installed and able to run according to the parameter setup. Okay, there are more than 30 types of inspection involved in a single validation of assembly line with different setting. Okay, Introcan Safety Line 5, we have three machine that I said just now, CAM, CAL, ECM. Okay, the function of CAM machine is to carry out assembly of clip to cannula followed with gluing to cannula hub. Okay, for the CAL machine is we have three module. Module one is assemble metal bush into capillary for POR capillary. Additional tempering process is required for module 3. Assemble valve opener into valve housing. Sub-assemble part from module 1 is transferred to module 2 to assemble into catheter housing followed by welding to valve housing at a sub-assemble part from module 3. Okay, for the ECM machine is function as assemble semi-finished goods from cannula assembly machine, CAM, and catheter assembly machine, CAL. Okay, this is overall the process flow for Introcan safety. We have three machine, which is CAL, CAM, and ECM. Okay, measurement system analysis that I mentioned just now is to inspect the functionality of visual inspection. Okay, the change of venue from Introcan Line 5 assembly line from Brown 2 to Brown 9 building requires a revalidation in vision system by performing measurement system analysis MSA. MSA MSA is done before sample are produced for operational and performance qualification. MSA is defined as an experimental and mathematical method of determining the amount of variation that exists within a measurement process. Okay, this is the interface of Solara. Solara is which is a toolkit for MSA report. Okay. Okay, some of the complete part of an introcon safety are sent for sterilization before proceeding to the next inspection. The sample are labeled according to the type of inspection needed and sent to the selected IPQC lab. In order to know whether the revalidation of introcon line 5 is a success, sample are produced by using operational and performance setting and eventually test in IPQC lab. Okay, for the second project that I have involved in B Brown, validation of a new introcan in stopper design and new primary and secondary packaging design for MCOR and coverage monofoil. Okay, for the current introcan in stopper for G16 until G24 is gauge. G stand for gauge. Okay, gauge 24 is running at packaging machine number F5, which has been installed since 1983. I think over than more than 30 years, right? Okay, this is the only machine capable for packing hard foil material of IVC packaging and foreseeable risk of F5 machine spare part discontinuation. Instapper is packed with individual hard foil material, which is polyester-based PET, while other IVC products are using PE monofoil base, which is not standardized. This R&D team has developed a new design of Introcan Instapper with new primary and secondary packaging design. Okay, the Instapper blister foil material will change from hard blister foil to soft blister foil material. The loading of Instapper in the blister also change from pack together with IVC cannula become individual packing by separate IVC cannula and stopper. So the blister dimension will change, and consequently the plate and carton dimension will also change. Okay. Uh, okay. This is our new replace machine from I think from F5 and change to the F68. Okay. Packing machine F68 is dedicated to pack introcan stopper finish product group using introcan stopper dissect with 10 cavities. Okay, this is a process flow. The packaging material foil is subtract from the foil roll and feed into forming station, whereby the foil is heated until blister pack pocket is formed according to packing more using pressure and vacuum tank cavity per shot. The blister pack pocket the transported further into the loading area, whereby finished product will be loaded manually into the blister pack pocket that has formed. The filled blister pack pocket then transported to seal section. The packaging paper is fit and wearable that will be printed on the packaging paper. Then the packaging paper is sealed together with blister pack pocket is foil with a finished product at a sealing station. After sealing, the package will be separated by cutting process cross and longitudinal and transported for secondary packaging process. Okay, okay, like this. And the process is like this. Okay, for third project that I have involved, verification of wasafi silicone tip supply from Romedic new extruder at BMI wasafi catheter assembly line. Qualification of the silicone tube supply from Romedic new extruder will be performed. Qualification activities from incoming to VC medical plan assembled in order to assure the silicon tube supply consistently conform to its test specification. There will be two types of silicon tube, which is 70A short hardness and 60. Uh, okay, it was involved in three different process flow. Okay, all the three different process flow will be need to be verified. Okay, this is a process flow for three machine. Okay, I think same goes to the process flow for my first project. Okay, silicon tube import from Romedic Germany need to be verified at B Brown. Sample need to be packed by large plastic, then need to send to PQC lab for inspection. Okay. Conclusion and recommendation. I would like to say that this industrial training program is an excellent opportunity for us to get the ground level and experience the things that we will have never gained through going straight into a job. I'm grateful to University Kuala Lumpur and Brown Medical Industry to giving me this wonderful opportunity. This industrial training really helped to enhance and develop my skill, ability, and knowledge. For my recommendation, company should go through student learning course before give any task to student. This is because each university syllabus are different from other, and they might also cover different subject or the course. By going through student learning course will help the company to preparing suitable task assignment like this. Okay, okay. This will reduce problem occur between both company and student while the task is done. Okay. I think that's all from me. Thank you. Thank you again for Yoni KL and B Brown.